Hello everyone, I am Shyam. Welcome to our channel, The Truth of India. Great news for smartphone lovers. Chinese smartphone giant OnePlus launches its next generation smartphone in Indian market, OnePlus 13 and OnePlus 13R with powerful processor and next generation camera and powerful battery. Let's check out the pricing of this cool gadget. OnePlus 13 launched in Indian market. Starting price is 69,999 for 12 GB plus 256 GB variant, while 16 GB variant plus 512 GB variant will cost you 76,999 and 24 GB plus 1 TB variant will cost you 89,999. While OnePlus 13R starting price 42,999 for 12 GB plus 256 GB variant, and 16 GB plus 512 GB variant will cost you 49,999, and both smartphones will be available in Indian market from 10th January. Let's check out the specification of this cool device. Let's check out the specification of this cool device. OnePlus 13 offers you 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display and powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and Android 15 OS based on Oxygen OS. If it's not enough, OnePlus 13 offers you triple 50 MP powerful camera and 32 MP front camera for video calling and selfie. It also offers you 6000 mAh powerful battery, 100-watt fast charging, and on-display fingerprint scanner. Now, OnePlus 13R offers you 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Chronic Gorilla Glass 2 skin protection, Android 15 OS, and Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, and also offers you triple real camera 50 MP and 8 MP ultra wide angle lens, 16 MP selfie camera, and 6000 mAh powerful battery with 80-watt fast charging and on display fingerprint scanner. So don't wait, go for your dream gadget OnePlus 13R.